Hi, so I bought some really cheap polishing pads off Amazon and I thought I'd do a quick video seeing if these are any good. Good thing about these is you can use them with a cordless drill and you haven't got to have a special buffing wheel for it. So let's give it a go and see what we think. Let's start off with what's in the box. So this box is 25 pieces. I think I paid about $14.99 on Amazon maybe for this, so really not very expensive at all and much cheaper if you haven't got a buffing wheel to hand. So first of all, we've got loads and loads of polishing pads. We've got some buffing wheels here, 3 of them, and we've got looks 3 separate adapters so you can hook this onto your drill as well. So let's get this hooked up and see what we think. So to hook this up, all we're going to do, put the smooth shaft into the drill bit, tighten that sucker up, and then this just screws on like that. So these pads are Velcro, so you've got 3 of these that you can mount things onto. You've got a Velcro pad and you just stick them on like that. So really quick, really easy, and I reckon it's going to work. You've got your white pads and orange pads. These are the firmest pads, so these are going to be for higher cut stuff. Then you've got some softer pads, so your black, yellow and blue, apparently all the same, but obviously you've got them in flat and in textures. The texture is going to hold a lot more product in there, so that'd be quite handy. And then you've got 3 of these buffing pads as well, which are all interchangeable. Obviously you can use these pads on cars, motorbikes, whatever you want. I'm actually going to be testing it today on this guitar that I'm building. So this guitar is painted in nitrocellulose paint, which is really, really thin. So the risk of burning through this is quite high. So I thought this was a good test, because if this can survive, then your car, your motorbike, anything like that is going to be absolutely fine with this. So high risk, but let's go for it. That's the polish I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this 3-in-1 Menzerner polish, which apparently cuts, so medium cut, I think it's 3000 grit, glosses, and then waxes everything to seal it all at the end. So let's get into it. First of all, let's get some on the pad and put some on the guitar. Whoa, that's too much, but I'll be all right. So obviously you can see I put some tape on here because I thought, well, it'd be interesting to do a before and after, but let's not waste this. Stick that over there for now. Here goes.
We'll start slowly.
I can't tell you how many hours went into this guitar, so I don't want to burn through it at this pace, but already it's looking pretty good. So, see how we're looking now. Well, there you go. You can definitely see the difference. I'm gonna finish off the rest of this and then we'll come back and we'll start some buffing as well. Okay, so now we're there with that, I'm going to swap out to the buffing wheel. So there you go. Really happy with this stuff. I wanted to do this cheaply. Didn't want to have to buy a whole buffing wheel and loads of stuff. Able to get this job done for 15 quid. I think that's really, really good. Really good value. So thanks for watching to the end of this video. If you do like this and like the look of them, I will put links in the description for you to be able to go check these out. If you want to see how this guitar turns out, then I will be doing a video soon where I put this thing together for the first time. So if that's interest to you, then please do subscribe and I'll see you next time. Cheers.